Hey yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Corey Tech back with another video, and today guys, in this video we're gonna talk about the Samsung One UI 3. Before we go into this video guys, you guys can get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. The promo code will be on the screen and in the description below, so make sure you guys go over there and check it out. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it.
Smash.
So anyways guys, let's get into this video. The arrival of the Samsung S21 lines up means a new Samsung design interface for Android 11. Only this enhancement isn't limited to just new phones. Existing Galaxy 5 and Note models are getting One UI 3 too. The change should be a welcome one for Galaxy phone users. One UI 3 comes with a packing of interesting features well as radical new design. It's on its way to Samsung Galaxy devices as of January 14. United States, Korea and Europe first in the line to receive the update. Devices that receive One UI 3 will get a complete overhaul, including a new lock screen, home screen, notification center and quick panel. These areas will also receive improvement animation and motion effect with added haptic feedback. There's an option to redesign widgets and to add dim or blur notification as well. Some of the new One UI 3 widgets give you more access to additional information on your phone without requiring you to unlock the device. This includes the weather, your calendar, music, routine, screen times, and more. You can change their size and transparency level as well, which makes them much more manageable to begin with. Messages are grouped and the front and center to remain at the top forefront of the user's mind. There's also a new edge-to-edge full-screen video call setup. Perhaps most importantly for users who have multiple Android and Galaxy devices, plenty of care has been taken to make moving between devices flow more seamlessly. Samsung promises support for all the new features of the One UI 3 across every Galaxy devices as you involve each of the different devices in your life. Under the hood improvements in the One UI 3 included better auto exposure and autofocus, as well as some impressive at-base tool. A photo effect called Object Eraser lets you simply tap on a people to remove from your photo and watch them disappear as AI does the rest of the work for you. UI customization promises simpler and more expensive than ever in One UI 3. A few tap on the quick panel now ensure you can customize your phone to your liking to your minimal effort. You can turn on your mobile hotspot pin commonly used sharing location, contacts or messaging apps, and even set up different profile for the purpose you use your device for. As One UI 3 brings an exciting raise of new features to users, it's important to remember that this is a part of what appears to be slow going rollout. If you don't have the update just as yet, keep checking back to see when it hits your phone as it's officially out in the wild. So anyways guys, we've come to the end of our video for today. Please smash that like button down below and please subscribe if you haven't already. Also guys, please remember to click the link below in the description and get 10% off using the promo code DASH. So anyways guys, before I go, it's me, your boy Corey Tech. Peace out.